Hello, my name is Jay, and I'm a solution engineer on Bill's Embed team. And today I'd like to discuss Bill's tools around embedding our payment capabilities into any solution. We call these tools elements. Bill elements are pre-built financial workflow user interface components that you can embed in your application. With Bill elements, you'll be able to enhance your existing product offering, build simplified payment workflows, and generate new revenue with the extensive Bill vendor network. You simply add preset integration code in your web page's HTML, and the Bill elements become a part of your web page. This enables your users to interact with our element experience that is pre-built with Bill's v3 APIs. The Content Delivery Network service is equipped to provide the required assets for a high-performance element experience, and our bootloader module will help render and display Bill's elements on your web page with specified CSS style and themes. We have a list of Bill elements that include onboarding, MFA, vendor setup, and payments. Let's walk through an example of a workflow of an end client onboarding themselves to Bill's payments and then actually facilitating the payments with our elements. We're using a mock ERP or accounting solution to demonstrate this workflow, but elements can be put into any type of application. It doesn't have to be an accounting solution. Any solution where the end client needs to make payments can use and leverage Bill's element tools. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm an end client that has raised my hand that I'd like to facilitate payments from this ERP system. I'm going to go ahead and set up my payments here with the setup button. And this will launch Bill's onboarding element, where the user can self-service and onboard themselves. You'll see the element just popped, so it looks like it's exactly part of the ERP system. And we'll go ahead and establish MFA. And now I'm protected with MFA. So for the end user, when they need to go and make a payment, we can make sure that we're secure that it is them that's facilitating that payment. Because of KYC and KYB regulations, part of our onboarding element will ask some information about the business. So in this example, we've got some pre-filled information in here. I'm going to add my EIN as well as my phone number again and submit that. Next is the funding element, where you can actually add a funding bank account, right? To be able to make payments to vendors, you need a funding bank account that's connected. Here, we can connect bank accounts instantly, or we can do it via micro deposits, where Bill will actually send micro deposits to the end user's bank where they can verify. In this example, we're going to use Plaid just to make it pretty simple. We'll connect a fake bank account here for our sandbox. And now I will have a funding bank account that's ready to go. Need to add one more information about who I am. And my payment method is added. And so now I'm taken back into the ERP system. So I have completely onboarded myself. I'm ready to make payments from within my accounting solution. So now we have a mock-up of I'm in the accounting solution. I've got a bill that I'd like to pay. And I want to see, maybe I want to add a new vendor. Maybe if I want to search to see if that vendor is in Bill's vendor network. So we'll go ahead and search for this vendor, and we're going to use PG&E as the vendor that we'll search for. So I'd like to pay my PG&E bill. I'm going to search for PG&E, and you'll see within the vendor element that just popped from the accounting solution, I'm able to search and see that PG&E is in the Bill network. I'm going to connect with them, and I'm going to enter my PG&E account number. Now I've added that. I've added the vendor. I'm ready to go, and now I'd like to save this bill. Okay, so I have a bill that's saved for $240. PG&E is that vendor, and I'm going to go ahead and pay that. And so now, because I have that connected bank account, I'm going to pay PG&E via ACH because they're on the bill vendor network. I'm able to facilitate this payment from inside my accounting or ERP system or any solution you'd like to embed bills elements. I'll go ahead and facilitate that payment, and calling bills APIs, we get a successful payment. So this gives you just a quick workflow of a few of our elements like onboarding, like vendor add, like funding bank account add that are possible. Our documentation describes the list of all available bill elements, as well as instruction guides on how to embed them into your application.